rest of the week. Chris Clark?
I'm liking it. No rain on Friday is what I'm really liking there, actually. Yeah, we're going to check with you head coach Mike Brown after that big win Saturday night. And the Wolfpack are going to have more than just the Pirates to deal with coming up Saturday. Todd Gibbs checks in with the latest from NC State after the break.
NewsNation airs every night at 7.
Here's a preview.
Tonight on Dan Abrams Live on NewsNation. So many pundits and legal analysts seem convinced Donald Trump will now be indicted. But there was no indictment following the classified documents previously recovered this year. I say hold your horses. For some straight, sober, unbiased analysis of what could be coming, join us. That's tonight on Dan Abrams Live. Now here's Ashley with a look at Banfield.
Thanks again. Tonight on Banfield, Sly Stallone was there, so was Vanilla Ice. But how many others were in and out of Mar-a-Lago with top-secret documents in the pool room? And how many might have been spies? Plus, 25 years after Purdue, Kentucky, the school shooter is up for parole. The girl he left in a wheelchair has some thoughts on that. She's on Banfield.
Sponsored by Fiesel Roofing.